You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this crypto analysis video right here on BTC USDT 1-day chart. You see the market is going to move to the downside. I was looking at this very area, and on the 4-hour chart, if you look at it, market is coming back down, and I give a signal I want to talk about on the premium group right here, and we've closed the position in profit. I will also talk about this, all of this and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. On the BTC USDT 1-day chart, if you look at it, I've been talking about this very zone of support, and I said it's a very strong support and require that the market break it with a very strong force. That means when market is coming back to the downside in this formation, we need to see the market break this level with a very strong force. A strong force here means that the market have to come back down and break with a strong bearish candle. And I said what you should be paying attention to is a bearish candle that closed below this very zone of support that I marked right here. Once we see that, it is an indication that market is going to come back down, and I say don't expect the market to move into this very area of support. Possibility of market coming back to $20,000 exists, but that is not what I am paying attention to right now. I am looking at the market coming back into this very zone of support, because we have resistance right here, we have support right here. So market coming back down, this very area of 24,500 and 25k is going to hold the market at this very zone, and the market will move back up again after the breakout. Remember, after the breakout with a bearish candle that closed below this very zone of support right here, and that is what I am still expecting right now on the 1-day chart. One other thing you need to pay attention to is this field swing at this very point, because if market was supposed to move to the upside and fail to create a new high higher than the previous high at this very area, then it means that the market is losing strength to the upside. That is an indication that we need to pay attention to this very area for a breakout to further confirm that market is really coming back down. So therefore, you can then put your trend line on this very top right here to the downside to indicate that okay, the market is coming back down. That also means that if we see the market break out on this trend line, it's an indication that okay, market is about to move to the upside, and a breakout of this trend line right here will also mean that market is about to push up. So pay attention also, if market move to the upside and break this trend line right here, market is going to move to the upside. The reason why is that there is a parallel resistance right at this area resisting the market, and if the market break that resistance at this very level of trend line of resistance, then that means the market is coming to the upside with a strong bullish move. So this is what I am still paying attention to on the 1-day chart BTC USDT right here on the Binance platform. And one thing you have to also pay attention to is this very chart on the 4-hour. Last week, that was on Saturday right here, I gave a signal in the premium group and I said market is going to come into this very zone of support, and then market move a little bit, and then we have this very spike to the upside, but market still move in our direction and we are in profit. That means targets have been hit and we have closed the position right here. You can see it out on the premium signal group, Remit Trade premium signal right here. If you look at the signal that I gave at this very point, BTC USDT short Entry was at 29,300 to 29,250. And if you look at the chart right at this very area, this was within this very zone right here. Market come down a little bit and then move to the upside. Could not hit our stop loss because the stop loss was placed within this very zone, that is above this very resistance. The reason why we place this kind of stop loss is to avoid fake out in the market, and being stopped out by market manipulation is very, very important. Let's say, for example, as it being this very signal was given and the SL was at this very zone of resistance, that means we place the SL at this very zone of resistance, maybe at the peak of this very spike on the week of these candles. That means we could have been stopped out with this very manipulation right here on the chart, but we were not stopped out. Rather, the stop loss was at this very area of 30,300. You can see it right here on this very trade signal. 30,800 was a stop loss, and when market did that, you see market later come back and down in the predicted direction while we're still in the position, and come back and hit the target, which was this very point. You see here, first target was 27,930 and the second target is 27,330. So this was the very signal, and markets come back down in the predicted direction right now and is still within this very zone. And one thing I want you to understand from here is that when markets now come back to this very area, there is a potential buy signal at this very zone, and I am expecting this market to continue into this zone of support. That means we could see the market further come back to the downside to this very area of support right here, because we have support here and we have support at this very point before market will come back to the upside. Now a breakout here on this zone of support at this very area will further send the market back down, in line with what we are looking out for on the 1-day chart right at this very area, because this very support is what we are seeing right here on the 4-hour chart right at this point. So pay attention to this very area, and I'm going to give a signal on Matic, which I am expecting the setup to be very, very accurate before giving that signal on Matic USDT on spot. ETH USDT 4-hour chart right here. See, market has this very critical support. We have a very strong support at this very point. If you look at it, we have support here, and we have support at this very area. We have support at this very area as well. We have support here, and the market is coming back into this very zone of support again. So what I am expecting is market to break out of this support level right now. Once that breakout occur with a significant bearish candle that close below every other close within this very zone, then market is going to come back down and a short position will be initiated on ETH USDT. This is what I am paying attention to. I am going to be giving a signal on Matic USDT on Binance, and this signal is very, very important because I'm expecting a massive movement on Matic after this very move to the downside, and that signal will be given in the premium signal group and in our various groups. What do you think about the market on BTC and ETH right here, and also on Matic? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you want to enroll for the Remit Trade intensive cryptocurrency course and mentorship program and learn how to do simple technical analysis like this for profitable trading, also contact me immediately and get properly trained. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and turn on the bell notification so that you receive updates like this every single day. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.